Affordable, effective, and easy, fundraising for today's schools. The power of practical fundraising. Fundraisers offering everyday essentials are easier to promote. Supporters feel good about buying useful products while helping schools raise money effortlessly. Why it works for schools today. In a tight economy, families prefer to support fundraisers that meet their household needs. Practical sales mean less pressure and faster results. Planning for success. Set clear fundraising goals, plan unit targets, align campaigns with school events, and build a timeline for smooth execution and higher engagement. Picking the right product. Choose high-quality, everyday items like laundry detergent. Look for competitive pricing and wide appeal to maximize sales potential. Launching your fundraiser. Set campaign dates, prep order forms or online links, and communicate your mission clearly. Keep it simple and easy to join. Spreading the word. Boost awareness through social media, parent groups, school, newsletters, and flyers. Make it easy for families to share and support online, motivating students and families. Encourage participation with small prizes, friendly contests, and regular progress updates. Keep energy and excitement high until the final day. Wrapping up and next steps. Thank your community, celebrate the results, and plan future campaigns. Repeat successful fundraisers seasonally for steady, reliable school funding. Contact now.